Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salad dressing sauce step by step. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients. You'll need a good quality extra virgin olive oil, about 3/4 of a cup, and a flavorful vinegar, like balsamic or red wine, around 1/4 of a cup. Don't forget your salt, pepper, and any other basic seasonings you love. Getting these foundational elements right is key to a fantastic dressing. Next, let's talk about bringing these ingredients together to create that perfect creamy texture. Combine your oil and vinegar in a jar or bowl. To help them blend beautifully, add a small amount of an emulsifier, such as 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard or a touch of honey. Then, whisk vigorously for about 30 seconds or shake the jar well until the mixture is smooth and emulsified. This step is crucial for a cohesive dressing. Now for the fun part, customizing your dressing to suit your taste. This is where you can truly make it your own. Consider adding fresh herbs like finely chopped parsley, dill, or chives for a vibrant flavor. Minced garlic or shallots can add a wonderful aromatic depth. For a touch of sweetness, a half teaspoon of maple syrup or honey works wonders. Taste and adjust until it's just right for you. Finally, let's cover how to store your homemade dressing and keep it fresh. Once prepared, transfer your dressing to an airtight container, like a glass jar, and store it in the refrigerator. Most homemade dressings will stay fresh and delicious for about 5 to 7 days. Remember to give it a good whisk or shake before each use, as the ingredients might separate slightly over time. Enjoy your fresh, homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.